How to withdraw Fidelity investment. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw from Fidelity investment. So in order to withdraw from Fidelity investment, all you need to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, first of all, log in into your Fidelity investment account. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. So all you have to do is just tap the transfer tab, which is located right on top. As soon as you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. So from there, you need to go ahead and enter in the information. So first of all, you need to select from which account you actually want to transfer and to which account you want to transfer. Enter in the information and click the continue button. Next page, you'll be asked to enter the desired amount to be withdrawn. Simply enter the exact amount here, and after that click submit to your file request, and in the next business days or two, those funds will be automatically deposited into the account you chose. In this way, you can withdraw from Fidelity investment. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.